Hi guys, welcome to Laura's Vlog. Today we're at Munster again. Hi guys, welcome back. And if you're the teachers, you'd probably just have joined. But anyway, I'm gonna read Poems of Nature, and this time let's hope that it doesn't go like that. Okay? So it goes like this. Beside the railway lies a sea of willow herb, shaken by the breeze through the translucent purple. The long summer day passes. COVID-19 maintains social distancing. Oh yeah, that isn't a poem. Deep inside the wood lies a sea of dappled light. Over the bluebells, a showery autumn breeze.
It says April.
I mean April. April breeze leads the windflowers astray. The silent forest is whitened in the spring dusk by the passing rain. Sifted through the fresh needles, breezes pass through the larch trees. A lone crow flies low over the empty stubble in the passing rain. The remains of summer fade as the evening mist rises. Deeper and darker, colour infused in the veins of a crimson leaf. Trickles from its drooping tip, autumn hanging by a stem. Among the dark hills, polished by cold moonlight, the lake lay silent. Now dewdrops from the larches send ripples as the dawn breaks. Okay, that's all the poems, I think. Yep. Bye if you're the teachers, and I'll see you later, I guess, if you're just the viewer. Bye! Forgot one. Okay. Not bad. Over the June moors, a skylark is sucked into the wide, timeless sky. From the edge of blue stillness, the faint bleating of a lamb. Okay, now bye teachers, and maybe bye viewers. I don't know. Let's just see how it goes. Bye. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button and the thumbs up button. Bye.